Scott Brash, hello Jefferson.
For Great Britain, is the gap widening between Great Britain and the rest as Scott Brash, former world #1, rider #2 for Great Britain, commences his round. Scott Brash, Helle Jefferson, Great Britain. Great Britain who've won the Aga Khan Trophy more than any other nation, 25 times since 1926. A few gaps, the odd war and things in between. Swine fever 1 year. He didn't take part, but one of the oldest trophies in the sport of jumping. Team here in 2011 and 2013, this former Olympic champion. The pressure is on Great Britain, the pressure is on Scott Brash. One more to negotiate. Will this be another clear for Great Britain? Will this push them ahead in front? Yes, it does! What a superb round from the cool, calm and collected former world #1. That is a double clear for Great Britain, and for a double clear for Scott Brash and Helle Jefferson, and leaves Great Britain with a best possible score of 0 penalties.
Three scores from every team. Holly Smith does not need to jump again. It gives Great Britain a second round total of 1 fault, which is the one time fault that Bel Air picked up, and a 2 round total of 1.